Welcome back to your Delta News at 6. Time now for a special WXVT report. The ice storm of 1994 was one of the worst disasters to hit the Delta.
But some valuable lessons were learned. WXVT's meteorologist Jessica Conley joins us live with part 3 of the day the Delta froze.
Caitlin and Earl, the ice storm left an impression on everyone who dealt with it. As we take a final look back, we can see that some good things came from it too.
Preparing for the 1994 ice storm was not an easy task, but when the ice melted, there were a few lessons we all learned.
Communications with the general public is a key part of that preparation, and also communications with other government entities to make sure they're aware of what you're going to do, or what you're going to prepare for.
Lawrence Johnson, customer service manager with Entergy, says if there is another storm, Entergy will be on top of things. He says now they pre-order supplies, get basic materials sent to them, and coordinate people to help, all ahead of time. Then they wait.
The things you plan, you start putting into effect. Men coming in, men being situated in certain locations so that they can try to move into the area quickly as hopefully citizens are moving out. As I tell people, that's when you see 3 lanes of traffic leaving an area and you see 1 lane go in the other direction. As I tell people, we're always traveling the wrong way.
Not only did utility companies such as Entergy learn to deal with such disaster, but Delta residents showed that the spirit of the people is unbreakable.
People were, with lights had shared the televisions with friends who didn't have lights yet, and watching the game. And I remember that was a big priority for that area. When I went and talked to the citizens, checked with them, they wanted to watch the game. And we had to, we got a portion of the street on that day so they could watch the game the next day, and that was a big deal.
Moose Lodge would furnish meals not only to the emergency workers, but anyone who actually needed something to eat during that period of time, so we were very fortunate for that. And then some churches got involved helping secure sleeping places in the church and things like that. The community, I remember the community getting together and establishing itself as one, and that made me proud to be a part of Cleveland, Mississippi.
It took about 8 weeks for some semblance of normalcy to return to the Delta, but the memories of the '94 ice storm will live on forever.
All you need to do to find evidence of the ice storm is look up at some of the trees. Many of them were snapped by the weight of the ice. Reporting live, Jessica Conley, WXVT, Delta News.
All right, thanks a lot, Jessica.